spell. Oh, it's like we've always known it. Even though it's new, I can already tell. Oh, that this feeling is taking over. Can we take our time?
Alright, so happy. We are very glad that you are here celebrating with us the third birthday of Jacob. Well, of course, hindi lamang si Hetty ang ating espesyal na bisita. Meron pang iba. Kaya ang tanong ni Kuya Mar, sino itong may dalawang malaking mata? Pipig na lagi nakatawa at kung mabragad ay pakemot-kemot pa siya ang bida ng barkada at ang bida ng saya. Let's welcome our best friend, Jollibee! As we meet and greet our best friend, Jollibee and Hetty, let's give them a big hand of applause. Padaanin muna natin si Jollibee. Mamaya na po tayo. Ayan. Sa mga kids natin, later on, mamaya po. Upo muna tayo sa mga kids. Upo muna. Upo muna po tayo.
Hawakan mo si Hetty.
Ayan, alam ko na very overwhelmed kayo na makita ang ating mga bisitang si Jollibee at si Hetty. Since we are glad that you are both here, Jollibee and Hetty, mag-hi hello naman kayo sa ating mga bisita. Hi everyone! Ayan. And hello! Ayan. So alam ko na excited kayo sa selebrasyon na ito ni Jacob. Okay, muli sa mga kids natin, upo muna tayo.
Kumano ka ba yung lahat?
So hindi na natin patatagalin pa ang programa sapagkat ang ating dalawang bida ay may handog na Jollibee gift para kay Jacob. Ang tanong ko lamang sa inyong dalawa, in our crowd, where is have you seen Jacob? Nasaan kaya ang ating celebrant?
Yan, na baka nila.
Ayun, nagpaunahan na. Ayun! And we found you, so let us invite our celebrant here in front. Oo, tama naman, Rance Jacob. Okay, invite naman po natin ang ating mga parents together with Jacob as well sa gitna. So of course, at this very moment, ay ibabahagi na or ibibigay na ng ating bidang si Jollibee at si Hetty ang kanilang handog or gift para kay Jacob. Kaya palakpakan muli natin ang nag-iisang prinsipe ng lahat, si Prince Jacob. Jollibee, ibigay mo na ang iyong special gift. Palakpakan naman natin. Well, of course, hindi lamang special gift ang handog ng ating dalawang bida. Alam ko na kayo ay may handog ding mga wishes para kay Jacob. Jollibee and Hetty, ang tanong lamang ni Kuya Mar, ilan bang wishes ang handog nyo para kay Jacob? Okay, let us count. Okay, count tayo mga kids. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. 3 special wishes. And let us all listen what is this 3 wishes about. Here is the first wish. Sa iyong pang paglaki, Jacob, ikaw ay magkaroon ng strong and healthy body katulad ng iyong mommy, ng iyong daddy, ni Hetty, at ng best friend natin si Jollibee! Wala pa mga kamay dyan. Ayan, dapat may palakpak talaga. Alright, so meron pa ba? Okay, first wish pa lang. So, dalawang wish pa daw. There is the second wish. Sa iyong pang paglaki, Jacob, ikaw ay maging matalinong bata at mabuting bata katulad ng iyong mommy, ng iyong daddy, ni Hetty, at ng best friend natin si Jollibee! Alright, so thank you so much for that wonderful wishes. Ayan. Alright, so of course, hindi lamang yan ang handog ng ating bida. Meron pa silang another wish. Here is the last wish. Sa iyong pang paglaki, Jacob, ikaw ay magkaroon ng takot sa Diyos katulad ng iyong mommy, ng iyong daddy, ni Hetty, at ng best friend natin si... Louder please, sino? Jollibee! Alright, so, wait lang daw. Shh! Nag-pray muna daw sila. Of course, alam namin na may mga wishes po kayo para sa ating birthday celebrant. Kaya this moment, a very moment yan. Alright, so Jollibee, Hetty, are you okay? Ayan, tinulungan na tayo. Ayan, si Hetty medyo kirat yung mata, nakagat ng itis. Mamaya po, as you can see po, medyo blooming si Hetty. Tanungin natin mamaya kung ano ang skincare routine niya. Ayan. Okay. Ay, si Jollibee din daw. Ayan. Ano ang gamit ng pampaputi. So, yan. Once again, let's give a big hand of Ayan. Big hand of applause to our best friend, Hetty and Jollibee. Alright, thank you so much. So, ma'am, sir, pwede na muna tayong umupo. Okay, syempre, hindi lamang natatapos sa Jollibee wishes at Jollibee gift ang handog ng ating mga bida. Marami pa silang handog. Eto na po, ipapakita na nila ang paborito nilang sayaw. Hetty and Jollibee, are you ready to show us your favorite dance move? Ready na si Jollibee? How about you, Hetty? Are you ready? Yes, she is beyond ready. Kaya at this time, to boost their confidence,
Hawakan na.
deserve nila ang malakas na hiyawan
Huwag yung
at
bitawan yan,
masigabong
mawawala.
palakpakan. Wala mong palakpakan dyan. Once again, here is Hetty and Jollibee. Wala bang mga kamay dyan?
Alam, bakit ang ganawan? Ganawan ko. Meron na siya. Happy, happy.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang ating best friend na si Jollibee and si Hetty. Thank you so much for that wonderful performance. Happy and Jollibee, maraming salamat. Okay, thank you so much once again. Of course, at this very moment, ayan, so naipakita na nila ang kanilang paboritong sayaw. This very moment ay the growing tradition that signified that this people.
Happy birthday, Vico. Lagi ka lang makikinig kay Mommy and Daddy. Huwag ka lagi makulit, okay? I love you, anak.
Ayan, si Sir din daw, sabi ni Jollibee. Ayan, very nonchalant to kasi si Sir Jollibee. Ayan. Pero ayos lang yan, ayan. Alam naman ni Sir na genuine love yung meron siya para sa kanya po, sana si Jacob. And this time, may invite everyone to please. Everybody! Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Everyone! Mas mabilis, mas masaya! Everybody! Jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday to you!
Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to
Once again, jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday to you!
Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Let us all shout happy birthday, Jacob! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Jacob!
Alright, so Jacob, you can now blow your candle and there you have it. Thank you so much. Ayan. So maraming salamat po. Ayan, let's have this photo of Jollibee and Hetty. Ayan. Please compress. Ayan. Move closer, please. So now, of course, after this po, magkakaroon tayo ng picture-taking segment po. Kasama po ang ating dalawang bidang si Jollibee at si Hetty. Kaya inaanyayan ko ang lahat. Kung please,
Lost in your eyes, under your spell.